This landscape is so shit. Let's fix it right now. First, let's understand why this happens. Lighting depends on normals. There are two types of normals: face normals and vertex normals. In this case, we need vertex normals. A vertex normal is just the average of all surrounding face normals. But look at vertices at the edge of chunk. On the other side there are no polygons, so the normals there end up being wrong. Before explaining the fix, I recommend you to pause and think for a moment, how would you solve this? Try to come up with a few approaches. Alright, we need to get access to vertices outside of chunk. So we can calculate all vertices, including the outer ones. Then we can calculate normals and tangents. After that we select only inner vertices using if condition, copy them into a new array, and feed that into our mesh. The solution is pretty good, except it's not. Why not? Performance. This approach uses if conditions inside loops, and iterates over all vertices twice. Instead, we can use one pass only. How? It's another good moment to path and think. Can you imagine a branchless solution? Okay, so here is the answer. 4 simple loops. We already know where outer vertices are. They are always on the edges. So while calculating vertices, we can fill 2 arrays at once. One with all vertices and another with only the inner ones. Remember, we generate vertices left to right, bottom to top. And in Unreal, horizontal is Y and the vertical is X. That means the very first row is outer vertices only, and the last row as well. All rows in between, let's call them mid rows. Each of them starts with an outer vertex, continues with inner ones, and ends with an outer again. So our loops are simple. One loop for the first row, one for the last, and one loop for all mid rows with an inner loop for inner vertices. And that's all we need. Same logic applies to triangles array, but we replace vertices with squares like that. Now you might ask, why not just process outer first and then inner, without row by row loop? The answer: we need vertex synthesis in array to stay row oriented, because that's how we calculate triangles. If you forgot how, check that video. Now let's implement that.